So this is a problem I'm having on my 1989 Pontiac Firebird. I turn the air on. The low works. Medium works. Medium works. High does not. So I'm going to try and fix that today, hopefully. So underneath the hood here, there's a high-speed relay. I had replaced this whenever I got the car, and it still didn't fix the problem. If you have all the other speeds besides high working, that just means that the relay is bad, most likely. If none of the speeds but high are working, then your blower motor resistor right here is bad, and it's just 2 bolts right there to take it out and replace it. It's really simple. But if you follow this red line, red wire right here, up through this harness, it goes over to here, and I actually just disconnected that because usually there will be a connector similar to this or similar to this that is connecting these 2 wires, and apparently they get corroded and it disrupts the connection. Well, this is what was on mine. I thought everything was fine, and I kind of looked at it and was wondering why the high wasn't working. So I took it apart and got my multimeter and made sure that one side, which should be this side, has got 12 volts going to it because it basically connects directly to the battery. And it did. Everything was good. So I got a new connector, tightened it up on there, and now my high works, which is weird because it basically did nothing. So it's low. And now high works. So I only assuming that with this smaller wire nut here, it probably just wasn't big enough on the inside to make the 2 wires connect, or maybe just had a bad connection. So now it's working. So if you have the same problem, maybe that's what's wrong with yours.